Welcome to the tutorial on auditing. In the previous tutorial, we have learned about the procedure of obtaining audit evidence. We have learned that there are two procedures for obtaining audit evidence. One is compliance procedure, another one is substantive procedure. In this tutorial, we are going to learn the process of obtaining audit evidence on the basis of substantive procedure. In substantive procedure, we obtain the audit evidence by the methods of inspection, observation, inquiry, computation, and analytical review. What is inspection? Inspection includes the examination. If we examine the records, documents, or any tangible assets, in that case, that type of examination is known as inspection. For the purpose of inspection, we can adopt vouching, scanning, verification of asset. So the techniques for inspection are vouching, scanning, verification of asset, etc. What is observation? Observation means taking part in a process as a witness. The auditor may witness the stock taking process to check that the system of stock taking is fair. The auditor need to take part directly to observe what is the real scenario. And the next method for obtaining audit evidence under substantive procedure is inquiry. Inquiry means whenever you are soliciting information by throwing questions. Confirmation consists in getting corroboration for facts supplied. I mean, whenever you put questions or throw questions, if there is a confirmation from the internal stakeholders, as an auditor, you will get your required information. That's why inquiry is a method in which you will solicit information from the concerned internal stakeholders. And the next substantive procedure for obtaining audit evidence is computation. Computation means whenever you are adopting arithmetical exercises such as totaling, balance extraction, or preparing reconciliation statement. So these are the examples of computation. You can total the balance, you can extract the balance, as well as you can reconcile the statements. And the final method for obtaining audit evidence under substantive procedure is analytical review. In analytical review, you can do ratio analysis, you can do comparison between the financial performance of various period, as well as you can compare between the financial position of various period. So these are the ways you can apply for substantive procedure: inspection, observation, inquiry, computation, and analytical review. Thank you.